To help manage and track assets, the software requires you to create an organizational hierarchy. Although there are specific requirements, you can create an organizational structure that is simple or complex. In addition, each of the org units does not have to be the same. An org unit is the highest level in the hierarchy. It is used for reporting purposes. An org unit can be, but is not limited to, a physical space, a physical place, such as a building, a process, or a department. An org unit can have one or more areas associated with it. The next level in the hierarchy is an area. An area is a place that can be inspected for something like housekeeping. It can also be used to identify a place in general where equipment is stored or can be found. For example, room 124. Areas have a direct connection to the org unit and the location. An area can have one or more locations associated with it. The reports at this level will provide information regarding the area and the locations under it. Finally, the location. A location is an exact place where equipment can be found or stored. For example, a tool crib or the northwest corner. Locations cannot stand alone and must be attached to areas. All equipment in the software must be associated with a location. The diagram in front of you shows a hierarchy where the exact location of the equipment can be found. It says that if I go to the tool crib that is located in the maintenance shop, which is in the maintenance building, I am going to find the equipment I am looking for. You can pull a report by the maintenance building, and you can also set up an area inspection of the maintenance shop. When there are situations where the exact location is not critical or the equipment is not fixed and might be located anywhere within the area, the below structure might apply. What it says is, if I go to the maintenance shop in the maintenance building, I am going to find what I am looking for. In cases of large org units or those that may contain areas with multiple levels, we can use sub-org units to give more definition. This org unit says, there is a maintenance building and I have to go to the second floor where I'm going to find the maintenance shop. And in that maintenance shop is the tool crib where I can find the equipment that I am looking for. Prior to your implementation, you will receive an organizational structure template. This will allow you to build out your org structure prior to entering the information in the system. From this view, you can see that I have started to create an organizational structure. What it says is that within Building 101, we have all of these different areas, and the locations are within those areas. So when we look at maintenance, you can see that within maintenance, there will be equipment in a tool crib, and there's equipment in a welding shop. In the warehouse, we will find equipment in shipping and receiving, and the storage racks. And in manufacturing, we will find equipment at line 1. Now we will go to the system and show you how to enter your org unit. You will select Company Administration, Organizational Units. From here, you will select Create. Any information on this screen where there is a red asterisk indicates that the information is required. Anything else is optional. Here, we will type in Building 101. Then we will select the parent organizational unit. From the drop-down, when you see Main, that indicates that the highest level is the company. And as you can see, there's no other information that is required. It is optional. Next, you will select Save. That is how you create an organizational unit.